Alright everyone, I can see the shelf cloud right now. There it comes, here it comes. Oh dear God. There it is. Here it is. Oh Jesus. Ooh, wind. Alright, be grateful for it's only rain. Fixed. Alright, I'm seeing the shelf cloud. Oh yeah, this is the beginning apparently. No rain yet. Actually, it's raining right now. See it? Wet. Maybe it's not wet. We're misting right now. Raining. Yeah, okay, it's raining. This one raining. Okay, here we go. Okay. The transformer went out. There's a transformer. Oh, jeez. Alright, I'm waiting for this window to blow out. How to fence settle low. To prevent me not hearing the sirens. Ooh, that's cool. Well, guys enjoy. Hello, sir. Have fun enjoying it. It's not doing it yet. It's here now. Sure. Here it is. Here it is. Okay. Clouds are moving fast, like 80 miles an hour. I'm trying to keep this wind in, because it's not very strong. Oh my God, it's not even beginning yet. And I'm already pushing the window in. That's rare. I'm just... Not even shade. Why is it so windy? Hope you guys saw that one. Okay, break time. It is break. Keep my hand up by the window. In case this is suddenly windy. The storm is nearby. No way, I'm not going outside. Here it comes again. Here it comes. Ah, man. Ooh. Hail. Hail. The storm's getting closer. Just lightning again. Oh my God. Okay, a couple transfers went out. So that's it. Ooh. Hold on. Whoa, whoa. green hair water sound. Getting closer. That means a tornado. Okay, it stopped. It sounds like a train when there's a tornado. Except it gets louder quicker. There it is again. Now it's talking the last one, but yeah, same thing. So we should be hit by the storm right now. I'm sorry everyone, I'm trying to keep this window in. This window isn't very sturdy. Let's see, this is... Let's stay in there. Oh, there we go again. Oh jeez, oh jeez. I'm just trying to keep doing it. It hasn't blown up before, but it's getting ready to. Alright, that's a storm. I know I've seen the wall cloud. Oh my god. This is part 2. High wind. Yeah, it's part 3 will be in the middle of the storm. Here it is, the rain. I kind of wish I was running back to the storm. Yes, I do. Alright, I have some time. Storm. So, so now the storm focus is dying now. Sorry about the quiet day. I'm just listening for sirens. I already hear sirens from distance. So there is a tornado warning to the north of us. Or north of me now. You don't live here, of course. Well, if you do, welcome to the alley. Alright. Messages yet? Nope. Lightning's bad though. I'm not sure if this is a storm or this is the beginning. I'm hearing thunder though. Yep, there's thunder. Yes, they haven't fully hit us yet, so this is the scary part. see if this force is over. Alright. So Alexis ready to rip. It's ready here. A friend of mine went live on Facebook. Must be put in a storm too. Yes, it's definitely here too. I know. Unless that's it over there. I'm not really sure. You guys do see a difference between spring thunderstorms now? That didn't sound good. I think it's... Whoa. Your wind blinds around my house. Here it is. So this is not the blankets made in the sky. I think it's hailing. Lost balance there. Yeah, we're not be able to catch any lightning right now because the storm's big. There's hail. There's hail. Here it is. So, high winds, hail. What's next? I'm hearing sirens now. Oh, that did not sound good. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, dear God. Definitely hail. Oh, fire to the windows. private conversation right there. It's definitely hailing. Okay. Alright, I'll take a picture of the hail as I can. And if it's not raining too much, which it might. Been hailing for 2 minutes. Surprising. Alright. Ooh, that was bright. I hurt my eyes. Nope. I bet you stop. Well, everyone. Uh-oh, I got another email. Severe thunderstorm warning, again. Alright, thank you. This is email to me. I don't know this is severe thunderstorm warning. Sirens. I knew it. There's a tornado to the northwest of us, I think. This is bad. It's getting worse as we speak. And lightning bolt right there. That's possibly make 50% lightning. Remember everyone, if once I hear the sirens, I go straight downstairs and stop recording this. This is getting worse still. Even though I'm like not the 5 instead in front zone, but still it could be 1 right now. Also sometimes it could be up in the sky. I saw a wall cloud. Ooh, I hope we capture that one. Did I capture that one? Ooh. This is a storm. It's not okay. That's okay. Well. A few more minutes of this and of course it's on stuff, so if I may see anything, you know what's going on. Well, it seems like it's passing us now. Oh, there's a batch of hails coming in. There's another batch of hail. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Okay, it's got a lot of lightning. That's like snake lightning. Alright. I did say we're not able to catch lightning, but looks like might catch a few. That's called positive lightning. Because now we're leaving the storm, or the main part of the storm, entering the rain. So the hill is peep-sized. Oh, shit, I forgot to take a picture.